Hello, my name is Brooke and I struggle with drinking pop. Some of the challenges I've had since quitting is just like the temptation and like going to like a restaurant or going out to eat or whatever, and like there's so many pop options always, but there's not very many like non-pop options besides like tea, lemonade, and water, which like sometimes I feel like I get used to and like it gets old, so like I want something different. Some of the successes I've had is just like the supports, like my mom and like my best friend, like, they're there to like, no, you shouldn't do that, or like, oh, you have this reason not to do it. And then what am I finding most difficult? Like I've tried giving up pop before and it didn't really work out just because I would fall back into it one way or another. So I would just say like the temptation of like, you know, I feel like it's something that I use like when I'm stressed. So when I'm stressed, like I can't just go and grab a cold pop anymore. So yeah, that's that.